What I wish I knew before buying my first camera? Mirrorless cameras are revolutionizing photography. Here's why. First, what exactly is a mirrorless camera? It's pretty simple. Unlike traditional DSLRs, mirrorless cameras don't have an internal mirror reflecting light into an optical viewfinder. Instead, they use electronic viewfinders or the camera's screen to display your shot. So, how does this work? When light enters a mirrorless camera, it hits the image sensor directly. This means fewer moving parts, and often a more compact design. Think of it as streamlining your shooting experience. Now let's talk features. Mirrorless cameras are known for their fast autofocus, silent shooting, and real-time exposure previews. They're also lighter and smaller, making them perfect for travel and street photography. But what about the pros and cons? Major pros: they're compact, have incredible video capabilities, and you get to see exactly what your shot will look like before you take it. On the downside, they can be pricier, and battery life might not be as strong as DSLRs. So, who are mirrorless cameras for? They're great for anyone from beginners to pros. If you love vlogging, travel, or simply want a versatile camera that's easy to carry, mirrorless is the way to go. To recap, mirrorless cameras offer a blend of advanced technology, convenience, and quality. They're not just a trend, they're here to stay. Ready to upgrade your photography game? Consider going mirrorless.